Want to transform your videos from amateur to artistic? Let's dive into how to master frame rates on your Canon EOS R100. First, ensure your camera is in video mode by turning the mode dial to the movie camera icon. This gets you ready to adjust the video settings. Next, press the menu button to access the camera settings. Navigate using the directional pad to find the movie rec quality option, usually under the first red tab. Select it. Here, you'll see various frame rate options listed alongside the resolution. Frame rate is measured in frames per second, or FPS. For a cinematic look similar to movies, choose to for FPS. It gives your footage a slightly softer, more film-like feel. Selecting 30 FPS is standard for most everyday videos and is great for recording smooth motion. If you want to capture smooth slow motion, set the frame rate to 60 FPS or higher. This allows you to slow down the footage in post-production without it appearing choppy. Once you've selected your desired frame rate, exit the menu. Now you're all set to record some awesome videos with the perfect frame rate for your creative vision. Experiment with each setting and see the quality of your videos improve.